Asia, a continent of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity, home to the oldest rainforest on Earth, and to creatures found nowhere else on the planet. But the incredible richness of the landscape and the wildlife which depends on it are under threat. Now, fewer than 50,000 Asian elephants remain. Tigers have lost more than 90% of their territory, and around 73% of primate species are at risk of extinction. Despite these threats, an adventurous Englishman imagined a brighter future. This led him to create a charity called Elephant Family.
My name is Mark Shand, and I'm actually not the founder of Elephant Family, but in fact the founder is an elephant called Tara. And the reason I got into all of this, in 1988, I bought an elephant and rode it across India, and I realized through her that the Asian elephant was endangered. And then in 2002, Elephant Family was founded.
Today, Elephant Family supports pioneering programs alongside local communities. We champion coexistence and find ways to enable people and wildlife to safely share space. Through early warning systems, solar-powered fencing, and our education and livelihood programs, we are reducing the threat to life. We connect landscapes, monitor wildlife, and reduce community dependence on the forest to protect wildlife corridors and restore degraded habitats. We nurture the next generation of conservationists, funding training and research to tackle the most pressing challenges facing Asian wildlife. Elephant Family celebrates the wonders of the natural world. We use the power of art, fashion, and creativity to inspire action. Thanks to your generosity, we have raised millions to power our conservation projects. Together, we are giving a voice to Asian wildlife and providing communities with the support they need to protect themselves and the Asian elephant, so that all living things can thrive.
Of course I have hopes and fears, but actually, I think, as long as we keep at it, I'm very hopeful that the Asian elephant will, and the other animals that share its habitat, will survive for all our grandchildren to see. I'm optimistic, yeah. I'm up.